Hey Broncos, this is Mrs. Melson, the instructional coach here at CMS East, and today we are going to get organized, and we are going to start by getting our Google Drive organized. I need you guys to go ahead and navigate to Google Drive. You will open up the Google Drive app. When you open Google Drive, click on Files at the bottom right-hand corner. Click on the plus sign at the bottom right-hand corner to add a grade level folder for your grade level. You will see this pop-up come up. Click on Folder to add a new folder. You will be prompted to title this folder. Title it the grade level you are currently in. As you can see, this example shows 6th grade. Open this new folder and you will see that there is nothing here. We are going to start adding new folders. Follow the same process and click on the plus sign at the bottom right corner. You will see the same pop-up and you are going to click the folder option. You will create a folder for each of your classes, specifically your core content classes. Rename each folder the appropriate class, and if you have electives that you will be using Google Drive with, make sure you create folders for that as well. You should have folders for each of your core content classes. And if you have an elective that requires Google Drive, you need to add a folder for them as well. Now, your Google Drive is all set.